Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a security light that I got at Costco, and I'll put a link in the description or in the comments. Maybe you can get something like this on Amazon too. I'm not sure if you don't belong to Costco. Anyway, solar powered. It's got different settings for brightness, different settings for how long it'll stay on once it illuminates. So I'm going to put it up next to my Ring camera right there. Okay, it should be easy, I hope. You can see I have a gutter, so I'm going to have to mount it down low on that piece of wood. Right there's a piece of wood because of the way it has to slide on there and clip on there. So I need some space so I can slide it on there. Let's see if this works. Okay, so let me get you caught up here. They give you plenty of cords so that you can remotely install the solar panel. I didn't need to do that here, but I just spread it out a little bit, one on the left and the the light on the right. I don't know, it kind of balances it out a little bit maybe. And the screws they give you are aluminum screws for some reason, I guess because that way they won't rust. However, they don't magnetize, so I tried to use a magnetic bit so that I would hold it on the end of my screwdriver, power driver, and that didn't work. So I just put some pilot holes using an awl, AWL, to put some pilot holes in there with a hammer. I'll show you. And definitely do that, because otherwise if you just try to freehand it into the wood, you're going to have a hard time. So knock yourself a pilot hole with that and a hammer, and then you can have an easier time at it. You still have to put a lot of pressure on it, because otherwise you strip the head out, especially since it's an aluminum screw. But I used that power driver over there. Where are you? Over there. An old Ryobi, which still works, and actually that's an impact driver, but you could use a power screwdriver too. Or you could turn it in by hand, old school. Anyway, I am going to run that wire out of the way, out in the back, and plug it in there. They said to plug it in for 3 days with the unit turned off, and that charges up the batteries that are in there. There's 2 rechargeable batteries. I think they're AA, and when they wear out eventually, you need to take the unit off, take the back off of that sensor part that I'm putting my fingertip right on there. I think they're in there. Well, actually, no. I think they're in that part over there. And then you can put some new batteries in there, and then it should run some more. Anyway, I'll show you. I'll give you one last shot when I get the wire up. Okay, well, that's it. It's actually centered pretty well, but because the shape of the light is different than the shape of the sun, the solar panel, it looks a little wonky, but that's it. And I'm going to let it charge for probably 2 days. They say 3, but I don't really think that, you know, the product is probably pretty fresh, and I'll bet the batteries come charged. I'll give you a shot at night before I put this video up. Okay? I'll see you in a couple of days. Hey, quick addition here. I wanted to show you this little thing that I made. This is how to aim your solar panel. So just imagine you lay a piece of paper flat on your solar panel and put a little cap taped to the paper. That's off of a WD-40 can. It can be any kind of a cap. Do you see the shadow? So this is laying on top of your solar panel, right? See the shadow? So you want to angle the solar panel so that the shadow disappears. You see how I angled it? So the shadow disappears. There's the shadow. There it disappears. So you want to do that like maybe once in the spring and once in the fall, or however often you want to do that, because the sun tracks differently across your solar panel at different times of the year. So just thought I'd throw that in, quickie. Okay, so that's what it looks like at night. It's not really dark, and that is on the low setting, which is 1,000 lumens, I think, setting. So pretty good. I'll show you the other one. It's like 50 times brighter than what I had up there before. What I had before was pretty pathetic. Oh, good. That one just went out on its timer, and right now I'm outside the range of the sensor. So let's see. Here I am on the sidewalk, and I can adjust the range of the sensor. So let's see when this comes on. I think it's on medium sensitivity right now, and it also has a angle on it, so I can change the angle. The angle might be low right now. I might have to move that angle up. There it goes. Okay, yeah, I think I have to move the angle up and probably change the sensitivity to higher sensitivity. Anyway, thumbs up, like if this helps you out, subscribe if you want more from Froggy, ring the bell for notifications, be safe, have fun. Let's go, Brandon. Froggy out, bye.